Hi friends, this is Subrat here and this is the 122 video on my Python series, and in this video we are going to discuss about assert statement in exception handling. So let's start. So before going into assert statement, at first we need to understand what is the meaning of assertion or assert or assertive. So if you search in dictionary you will find out that assertive means confidence. You are confident about something. It is an adjective, and you are assertive about something. That means you are confident about something. So we can use assert statement inside our program in different scenarios. So assertions are statements that assert or state a fact confidently in your program. So this is the one of the important thing. So let me explain you with one example instead of going through all these theories. So one more point I'll be focusing on, it is also a debugging tool as it brings the program on halt as soon as an error is occurred and shown on which point the program error has occurred. So assert statements are also used as a debugging tool. So let us see at first what is the full syntax of my assert statement. So you can use assert, which is keyword assert, and you can pass one condition and you can pass an error message. So here what it will do, so normally our interpreter will interpret our code from top to bottom. When it is finding an assert statement, it will check the condition mentioned inside that statement. If the condition is true, then only it will proceed with the rest of the code. If the condition is false, it will give you the assertion error or the error which you have mentioned over here. So why we need an assert statement? So as the meaning of assert is confidence, you are confident about something, you are confident about some condition. If the condition is satisfying, then only I need to execute the rest of the code. We are confident about that condition. If my condition is not satisfying, then I won't be execute all those rest of the code. So the confident statement will be, if my condition is satisfying, then only I am going to execute that code. This is my confident statement. Okay, if my confidence is not getting satisfied, then I won't be executing that code. So these are the you are confident about these statements. So in that case you can use the assert keyword. So let us see how we can use the assert statement. Suppose I have a function, division function, division, and inside that I just need to divide two numbers and I need to store it inside result. Result equal to a divided by b, and I am just returning the result. So here what you are confident about, you are confident about b shouldn't be 0. If b is 0, I don't want to execute rest of the code. This statement you are confident about. So in that case you can put assert statement, assert. What you are confident about, b can't be 0. You are confident about this statement. Second parameter cannot be 0. Can't be 0. So this statement you are confident about. So that's why you are checking in between. If b is 0, then it's the rest of the code not going to execute. If b not equal to 0, then only the rest of the code is going to execute. Here this condition will return true or false. If it is true, then the codes are going to execute. If it is false, then it will give you one assert error or assertion error. So let us call my function, division function, and let us pass 1 and 5. Let's see. So let us pass 1 and 5. Here we are getting division operation 0.2. Let us pass here 0. Let's see what's the output. Here we are getting assertion error. Second parameter cannot be 0. So here as I have passed the second parameter, 0, it's showing me second parameter cannot be 0 with one assertion error. So it is showing me at which line it is giving me the error. So it is also used for debugging purpose also. So you are confident about b shouldn't be 0, that statement you are confident about. That's why you can put an assert statement inside that. If the condition is only satisfying, then only I want to execute rest of the code. If the condition is not satisfying, then you will just come out from the code and give the assertion error. So friends, this is all about the assert statement in exception handling. I hope this concept is clear. If you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can leave a comment under my video. Thank you.